Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Take a ride in the 2011 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control automatic. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.